pilot of the helicopter, which crashed into New York City's Hudson River, has been identified as a Navy SEAL veteran with a deep love of flying. 36-year-old Sean Johnson moved to the city to continue his aviation career. Only 2 weeks ago, he uploaded this video of himself proudly piloting a Bell 206 helicopter, the very model that crashed on Thursday.
All right, here's a new clip from a harbor monitoring camera of the helicopter accident in New York City. Now, we can see in this clip that the helicopter is going to be entering in what appears to be straight and level flight from the left.